Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you through how to verify a payment method on Amazon. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Amazon website. Log into your Amazon account using your email address and password. After logging in, go to the top right corner of the page and click on Account and Lists. From the menu, select your account. On the next screen, look for the Payments option and click on it. This area shows all the payment methods linked to your Amazon account. Find the payment method you want to verify. Next to it, click on Edit. Amazon will now ask you to enter your details again. Carefully re-enter your billing information, card number, expiration date, and security code if required. Make sure all information matches what your bank has on file. Once you finish entering the details, confirm the changes. Amazon may take a moment to save and verify the information. In some cases, you may be asked to confirm your identity with a code sent to your phone or email. After the payment method is confirmed, go back to Amazon and try ordering the item again. In most cases, the payment should now go through without any problems. If the payment still fails, return to the Payments section and try adding a different payment method. You can use another card, a bank account, or an Amazon gift card. If nothing works, contacting Amazon customer support is the best next step. Thanks for watching.